The Zircon Wood Stud SuperScan Advanced Stud Finder features target control technology and FILTERz cancellation to avoid dangerous obstacles like pipes, wires, and other metallic objects, the bane of ordinary stud finders. The Wood Stud SuperScan features 3 modes: Auto mode, up to 3/4 of an inch deep; Edge mode, up to 3/4 of an inch deep; and Deep Scan, up to 1.5 inches deep. The tool features a low battery indicator for optimum performance. Always use 2 brand new AA alkaline batteries with an expiration date at least 3 years beyond the current date. The tool will power down after 3 minutes of continuous use, or if the tool is lifted from the surface after calibration. To manually power off the tool, press the power button down 2 seconds. The tool will power back on in the mode last engaged. To find the center and edges of wood studs, use Auto mode. Place the tool on the wall. Press and release the power button. The tool will default to Auto mode with the center and edge indicators illuminated green. Wait for the tool to calibrate. Without holding the power button in, slowly slide the tool horizontally across the wall, perpendicular to the studs. As the tool locates the edge of a stud, edge indicator flashes green and the tool will vibrate. Mark the edge. When the tool finds the center of the stud, center indicator flashes green and the tool will vibrate. Mark the center. Continue scanning to find the other edge. Mark this edge. The width of a stud is typically 1.5 inches. To find the edges of wood studs, use Edge mode. To toggle modes, press the power button repeatedly until only the 2 edge indicators illuminate. Wait for the tool to calibrate. When the tool locates the edge of a stud, the edge indicator flashes green and the tool will vibrate. Continue scanning to find the other edge. In Auto and Edge modes, when scanning over low or weak signal objects such as plastic water pipes, plastic sewer drains, or studs deeper than 3/4 of an inch, a red stop indicator will flash as a low-level indication. When passing over metal, the stop indicator will illuminate solid as a metal warning indication. To find the center of wood studs through surfaces thicker than 3/4 of an inch, use Deep Scan mode. TC technology is not enabled in Deep Scan mode and can also detect metal. The stop indicator will flash if the device is over or near metal. To enter Deep Scan mode, press and release the power button until only the center indicator lights solid green. Wait for the tool to calibrate, then begin your scan. When the tool reaches the center of a wood stud, center indicator flashes green and the tool will vibrate. Wire warning detection continuously alerts the presence of live, unshielded AC electricity in all scanning modes. Used to avoid dangerous obstacles and securely fasten shelves and cabinets, buy your Zircon Wood Stud SuperScan Advanced Stud Finder today.